guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paris, also known as LeSweetpea. Minasan konnichiwa, Parisu desu. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a really cool video for you guys, but if you guys didn't notice, I dyed my hair pink and I'm wearing contacts right now too. But yeah, I dyed my hair pink. It's kind of faded right now, but I'm probably gonna dye it again in the next couple of days. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 easy meals that you can make with a company called HelloFresh. If you guys have never heard of HelloFresh, they are a meal delivery service. So basically you can get full sets of meals sent straight to your front door. They give you all the ingredients in each individual bag, so you don't really have to be like looking for ingredients and stuff. I found it really easy, and also the meals tell you exactly how long it's going to take, and most of them are under an hour, so maybe it'll take like 10 minutes to prep and 35 minutes to cook it. They have a discount going on right now where you'll get $80 off your first month. I'll have a link down below for you guys to click that, and I also have a discount code, so I'll put that on the screen right here. I chose Lauren Conrad's chicken tacos, Southwest skirt steak, and pasta Parmesan. I kind of wanted a balance of heavy and light. All of them were so good. I wasn't expecting the pasta Parmesan to taste like super good. I was just expecting it to be like normal pasta, but it was actually so good. Like I literally felt like I got it at a restaurant or something, and I was like, did I really make this? I hope you guys will try out HelloFresh, and with that, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Hey guys, so first I'm just going to be taking the bags out of the box, and then I'm going to be starting with my first meal. So the first meal is the Southwest spice steak, and it takes 10 minutes to prep and 35 minutes total. I am really excited for this. Let's get to cooking. One thing that I like about HelloFresh is that it tells you everything that you're gonna need. I have my measuring cup right here, the vegetable oil, the bag that everything came in, so this just has like all the vegetables and spices and stuff like that. My peeler, cutting board, a medium bowl. I love how it just like gives you all the instructions and it makes it look really simple. So yeah, this shouldn't be too hard. So step 1 is to prep the veggies. Okay, so the next thing it said to do is to core, deseed, and dice the poblano into 1/2 inch squares. So I didn't know what that was. So I had to Google it, and I found this.
Here's how you core a pepper in about 1.5 seconds.
Yeah, so I didn't know how to do it, but apparently that's all it is. Next, I'm going to be roasting the veggies. So I'm just going to be taking some vegetable oil and sprinkling that on top of the sweet potatoes and poblano, and then adding some salt and pepper. Their fruits and vegetables are actually really fresh. Okay, so this is how the steaks look. They look like really good steaks. I just have all my seasonings over here. The directions said to use salt and pepper, so I'm using salt and pepper, and I also wanted to add garlic powder, and I wanted onion powder, but I can't find any, so I'm going to use these onion granulated white, and I'm just going to season them both sides and then put them on the pan. It smells so good that my dog like cannot keep her nose out of here. Does it smell good, mamas? It smells good? You like it? But she knows she shouldn't be in here when we're cooking, so she feels bad. Okay, go. Go. Okay, Trixie. You're so cute. For for the steak sauce, I'm just mixing together the sauces that they provided. So to get started with my pasta Parmesan, I'm going to go ahead and lay out all of my ingredients. Step 1 is to bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started while I cut up the vegetables. Step 2 is to cook the pasta. Step 5 is to top the pasta, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the panko breadcrumbs and add all the mozzarella, and now it's super cheesy and amazing. I can't wait to eat it. How is it?
Just like I made it.
Really? It's penne pasta.
Because there's no meat in it.
You like it?
Plus I was hungry.
Yes.
And the pasta's cooked perfect.
Really? Yay! Oh, I'm so happy.
I'm happy too.
I'll try it too, even though I look like a bum.
Here's that. Ooh, I actually know how to cook.
I really like this. I wasn't sure if how much cheese they gave was gonna be enough, but it's perfect.
Wait, the one they gave you?
Because they gave me a block of mozzarella and then a bag of Parmesan.
Exactly.
It's perfect. It's really good, guys. Step 1 is to wash and dry all of the produce. Step 2, make the salsa. Now I'm seasoning the chicken with salt and pepper and with the Southwest spice seasoning provided. Step 4 is to slice and mash the avocado. enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will try out HelloFresh. I think that their meals are really good. They taste really good. They're super easy to make, and I love that everything is actually really fresh. Everything was amazing, so thank you HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I will definitely try out HelloFresh again in the future. And if you guys want to try it out too, then go ahead and click that link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Videoを見てくれてありがとうございました。Bye bye!
And I just want to answer this. I always forget to say this, but don't forget to subscribe, or no, subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications. I don't think I've ever told you guys to turn on the notifications, but you guys should turn on the notifications. Okay. It smells amazing. Like, I've never wanted to just eat a tomato or just eat a lime just because, but these ones literally, like, I just want to put this in my mouth right now.
Something is hitting my leg. Oh, it's the bow. LeSweetpea squad. Yeah, じゃあね。またね。